Introducing ATO Lab Plus, engineered to make any powder from any metal right when you need it. Simply mount a standard metal wire spool from any alloy, reactive or non-reactive. Device has small footprint and don't need complex infrastructure. Just plug in and start atomizing. Built-in long-lasting filters ensure powder purity and system safety and efficiency. Device have modular construction. Choose ultrasonic frequency system module to control produced powder size for your application. Use automatic feeding and torch movement features to reach maximum powder production efficiency. ATO delivers highly spherical powder with excellent quality and flowability, ideal for additive manufacturing and beyond. While ATO making metal powder, your hands are free for other tasks. ATO remote control allows to control one or multiple atomizers. Get a live view of atomization and control process remotely with dedicated tablet. All modules are easy to swap. Minimal downtime, maximum flexibility. Change feedstock by swapping feeding module and make metal powder from rods with single rod feeding system. Atomize metal rods quickly and efficiently with full control over feeding speed and rotation. Control atomization and parameters in real time with main touchscreen panel with dedicated knobs and easy-to-use software. ATO ultrasonic metal atomization technology ensures efficient, stable, and flexible powder production. Make high-quality spherical metal powder from your alloys with precision. For bigger production cycles, the multi-rod feeding system is the ideal choice. This module allows you to queue multiple rods in a single atomization run without unsealing the chamber. Simply load your rods and start producing high-quality metal powder. The feeder offers exceptional adaptability, supporting various rod sizes with ease. When extended production is needed, you can equip the system with a dedicated extension tube, enabling atomization of rods up to 1.2 meters in total length. This minimizes downtime, reduces reloads, and ensures efficient, continuous powder production. Expand your range with the induction melting system, perfect for atomizing metals with lower melting points. When combined with rod-based feeding, it enables fully contactless powder production, ensuring maximum chemical purity. The IMS uses induction heating to warm both the feedstock and the atomization platform, providing a stable, efficient process. Atomization is carried out on our patented ultrasonic tip, which ensures consistent droplet formation and excellent powder sphericity. Irregularly shaped feedstock or 3D printing leftovers? IMS handles them with ease using crucible-based feeding. Inside the crucible, materials can be fully melted and alloyed through induction electromagnetic homogenization. Once ready, the pressure-controlled pouring system releases the melt precisely onto the atomization platform, minimizing contamination risk and ensuring consistent powder production. With this method, you can atomize up to 350 cubic centimeters of your alloy in one batch. Achieve unmatched powder quality and chemical purity, ideal for advanced applications. When atomization is done, turn off atomizer with one click and collect produced powder. Our universal sealed powder container keeps material in inert gas atmosphere to protect from oxidation. Use the ATO sieve to separate powder by size and make ready to use. It's ultrasonic sieving station with sealed chamber in inert gas atmosphere. Ultrasonic vibration prevents clogging and boosts sieving performance. Efficient, clean, and consistent. Sieving made easy. ATO metal powders is ideal for use in additive manufacturing and advanced applications with excellent flowability and narrow particle size distribution. Close the loop and recycle metal scraps from 3D printing with ATO Cast. It's a professional induction vacuum casting furnace with compact all-in-one design. Fill crucible with your metal or 3D printing scrap and mount securely in induction coil. By preheating casting mold, you're reducing risk of defects during casting. Take and secure mold with metal clamp and position directly under crucible drop spot. ATO cast chamber works in positive or negative pressure version and with inert gas shield to reach highest material quality and purity. When all is sealed, start induction melting on main touchscreen panel and watch how your feedstock becomes liquid. Material fully homogenizes with induction electromagnetic field. Once the melt reaches its ideal state, pour it into the casting mold with a firm motion. Casting is now complete. The rods can be safely extracted and used as fresh feedstock for powder production. The ATO suite is more than a set of machines. It's a gateway to material innovation. It empowers researchers, engineers, and manufacturers to explore new alloys, reclaim materials, and shape the future of additive manufacturing. Make metal powder yourself and redefine what's possible. Visit ato.im to learn more and experience unmatched flexibility to make any powder from any feedstock for any application.